Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video, we're checking out ESW Beauty. So let's get in and let's get into the package. Okay guys, welcome back. So today we're checking out ESW Beauty. So ESW Beauty is it's actually, and I'm gonna give you the information straight from their pamphlet here. So ESW Beauty, sorry about that. It has clean ingredients, vegan, organic, cruelty-free, and is eco-friendly. So they reached out to me because they wanted me to check out their Raw Juice Cleanse Mask. So obviously I'm unboxing this so you guys can check it out just to see what it looks like. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna give you guys my thoughts on every product after I've tried them. So it's probably gonna take me a week to get through them. Usually I do like one mask a day, but at least I just wanted to share with you guys what was in the package so that you guys can see how these masks look before I actually unravel them myself. So this is a set. So it says here Green Reset so there's different masks in here. So actually let me open this up and see, and it gives you the directions on the back, but I'm sure they're on the mask as well. So I just kind of wanted to dive deep, and they're super totally different. So that's cool. So the first one, so there's gonna be 5 different sets of masks in this mask set. And again, this is called Raw Juice Cleanse, and it's a mask set. So that'll give you a week's worth. So the first one I see here is called Watermelon Rose Water Grapefruit. So this is a Pink Dream Moisturizing Raw Juice Mask. So this is more so for moisturizing your skin. So that's what that looks like. And I love the packaging. It's very unique. So it looks like those juice bottles. I actually drink shakes every morning, so mine are usually green from this spinach, but this actually looks really cute to actually drink. So I definitely would drink that if I could, but we're not their mask. Don't do this at home or anything like that. But yeah, that's super cute. Okay, so the next one I have here, and this is actually usually what my shakes look like. This is Kale, Spinach, Broccoli, and Apple. This says Green Reset Anti-Aging Raw Juice Mask. So that's what that one looks like there. And again, on the back, it does give you the instructions, 15-20 minutes for, it looks like it's gonna be probably for each of these masks. So that is that one. And then the next one you have here is Vanilla Bean, Strawberry Almond Milk. So this is a strawberry and creams soothing raw juice mask. So that is, I mean, guys, tell me, this is like very cute packaging. I don't know about you guys, but they totally look super cute. And the next one we have here is Pineapple, Kiwi, Pear, Ginger. And this is a revitalizing, this is called Pineapple Bliss Revitalizing Raw Juice Mask. So that is what that one looks like. And then last but not least is H2O Activated Charcoal Lemon Juice. This is a deep detox pore control raw juice mask. So I will definitely have all their information in the comment section below, but I'm gonna take a pause here. We're gonna come back after a week after I've tried all of these, because these look, I would definitely try them all in one day, but I like to give my face, because I want to know how it feels afterwards. So I'm gonna give myself a week to try them out, or 5 days. So when I see you guys back, you're gonna see, I'll tell you guys what I thought about all of these and if I would recommend it. So again, this is ESW Beauty, and this, I'm gonna try the Raw Juice Cleanse Mask. So we will be back and I'll give you my thoughts on this mask set. All right, guys, so I'm back with an update on the ESW Raw Juice Cleanse Mask set. So it's a week later and I've totally finished up all of the masks. And let me just tell you guys, if you're ever looking for a clean mask that is super friendly to the environment, super friendly to your skin, this is definitely a mask. These are definitely masks that you want to give a try. And I love it because it came, again, as the description said, it came in like a ton of 5 different masks. And I love when masks come in different sets. So that was one benefit. And then my skin felt super smooth after. It felt refreshed, it felt moisturized, and that was actually the purpose. And I saved these 2. I should have saved them all, but these were the 2 I actually saved. This one definitely felt moisturized, and then the others felt, this one was revitalizing. So you definitely felt a feel of revitalized. But yeah, if you're looking for a mask set that will definitely work for you, this one is definitely it. So this is, again, this is a Raw Juice Cleanse Mask. I definitely recommend it. So with that being said, you guys make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. And we'll see you on the next video. Have a good day, guys.